His Excellency Nadif Jama, Deputy Abdi Dagane, my Speaker, Abdi Ilagure, my MP Abdi Shaqalaha, my former MP Honorable Safia, and the County Commissioner and all the protocol officers. Assalamu alaikum. Yangu ni machache, sitaki niongee mengi because wenzangu wameongea. Ya kwanza, I want to talk on behalf of my ward. These are my governor. These are incomplete hospitals, especially Marre and Gedulum. We are suffering lack of dispensaries in my ward, especially those two places. Thank you. As a chair of the summer, I say municipality is well and it will coming through procedure. The way Abdi say, there's only somehow through the, I don't know whether it is the governor, I don't know, no one, every person like to be municipality in Masalani, in Dadaab, in Madogash. Thank you. Machache wacha niongee Kisomali. Assalamu alaikum. Ana magacayga maxaa la dhahaa Abdi Muxudiin Abdi. Sangailu worldwide. Af Soomaali haddaan ku hadla Masalani waa magaalo madaxa maxaan ku soconaa inaan county qaadana Soomaaliland. Hadda county afmaan ku qaadanaa masan dadka waa yaryahay maxaan soo arkay. Midii kale gafana maxaan ka codsani habar badan la fuutay wiil badan la fuutay dad kale inaan ku dartaan rajaynayna dadka dhan waa naga fuutaysay. Meel loo socdo aan garanaa anigu we are representing our community. Hergaha nala haastaan bana gafana because some of them they are claiming us why we don't represent. Why? So on behalf of that bana gafana, at least we angalia masliyetu because we are representing the wards. Thank you. I don't want to say much. Assalamu alaikum.